up guys, Aaron here, and today, I'm doing another microwave video. So today I'm going to be do not microwave mini egg, because you guys seem to like the last microwaving video when I microwave sherbet, so I might as well do it again. So let's do this. Right. Microwave. Open sesame. In ya? Right thing with right to open. Right, beautiful. Don't move around, please. In the microwave. If you just look. Come on. Right. They are in the microwave. Right, it is on, and I'm gonna let it do this for a couple. I'm just gonna let it When I say cook, yeah, I'll say cook for a couple seconds, and I'll see once it's done. Right, it's done. It's done. I'm wondering. Good, it's not hot. The plate isn't hot. The shell still seems pretty normal. So I think I might put it in for a minute now. It's done. It's done. Open sesame. It's going to be really hot, isn't it? No, it's not that hot. Right. Oh, this is sick. This is what I thought would happen. Like the chocolate has melted inside. Right, wait. I have a knife that I'm going to chop it in half with. Come on. It looks. That doesn't really look that appetizing, let's see. And for this one, you know what? It's like chocolate spread, right? It's like chocolate spread. There's that one, and then, well, that was the white one, now it's this one. Melted chocolate, everyone loves it. Well, there's this, which looks really good. That is what happens when you microwave. Oh gosh. That is what happens when you microwave mini eggs. So, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. And you should probably make this the most popular video on the internet, just because it should be. Right, bye!